Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to do another tool review on the DeWALT jigsaw, and I'm also going to do my second giveaway. Stay tuned. We're going to talk about the DCS334. This is a 20 volt DeWALT XR jigsaw. There are several features of this that I was going to talk about with you, and I'll try to make this quick and go through these. This DeWALT jigsaw was probably one of the overlooked tools that I added. I had bought several tools before I'd ever considered purchasing a jigsaw. I'd always use a sawzall or something like that, but I finally decided I'm going to buy a jigsaw, and man, I wish I would have bought this thing so much sooner. It's come in so handy on several different occasions. Some of the features on this saw is the quick release for the blade. You just pull this front tab and the blade just slides right out. And to put it back, you leave it pulled and you just let off and the blade's in. So that was a really good feature for a quick release. You also have a tab on the side that will actually tilt the blade a little bit forward or backwards, or you can leave it down for a good 90-degree cut. You got this handle on the bottom, and you can pull this out just like so, and you push this forward and this bottom will tilt. So if you need to cut like a degree or a miter cut or something like that, so it's quick and easy to do that as well. It also has a speed setting on the back, how fast you want to cut accordingly. It's all around has been fantastic, and not only that, it's very universal with my batteries. Like I have the 60 volt. It works really well with it. You can use the 4 amp, the standard battery that comes with a lot of the XR lineup. And this is actually a battery from my Graco paint gun. It's a 2 amp and it's a very small battery, but I've been on a couple of jobs and had to use this because my batteries were dead and I didn't really want to take time to let them charge. But it works well with all of them. Another thing too, as you've seen, it has the LED lights in the front, and that's really good, especially when you're cutting in tight corners and you got a really big shadow or something like that and you're trying to see your cut line. That's come in really handy, and it gives a really good visual. Like, I hardly have any complaints about this tool whatsoever. The grip is super comfortable. You can tell that it's a very well built tool. I've used both Milwaukee and DeWALT. I like both lineups. The Milwaukee, if I had to say anything, the Milwaukee has a little bit better visual, like when you're cutting. This is a little bit bulky on the front, so sometimes it is just a tad hard to see, but not bad. I've never really come to a problem where I just couldn't see to do it, you know. And another cool thing about these is you can buy a coping attachment for these jigsaws, which I'll show you here. I got a piece of trim with me. So like if you have a piece of trim and you already have your 45-degree miter cut, you can take the coping attachments you buy for them, which is kind of like a rounded cup. I've not bought one for mine. I don't do a whole lot of coping. I miter most of my cuts, but there is situations where coping does look a little better or fits the need. But you can take that and you can you just get on the edge of your profile of your trim and follow that white edge and just cut it back on this degree, opposite degree, and you can use that coping tool, and you can cut out a lot of this line, back cut it to cope it, and then just take you a file or a piece of sandpaper and really dial it in after that. But it's just a great universal tool. Some other things I've cut is, this is a particle board. I'm doing some framing out some shelves right now. I don't normally use particle board very much. I don't really care for it, to be honest, but you know, if you're going to just make some rounded cuts or some good cuts, this is perfect to do that. Laminate Flooring. They make blades for these, different blades. They make finishing wood blades, they make fine cutting, fast cutting, metal blades. I mean, the cuts are endless really on this, but I laid a lot of laminate flooring, and this stuff is about a 1/2 inch thick, and that jigsaw cuts right through it, especially when you put the laminate blade on it. I used to sit there and I would run it out the table saw, and I'd run one way and then run the other way, and then, you know, and then try to just get a little handsaw or something and fine cut it. But I bought that jigsaw, hands down, has sped up laying flooring tremendously. I use it a lot on even vinyl planking. I don't have a piece of vinyl planking with me right at the moment, but it cuts this really well. But I will say, some of this stuff you cut, especially like MDF and stuff like that, you probably need to make sure you wire your respirator. There's some bad chemicals in some of those. If you do any type of carpentry work or even around the house, if you don't have a jigsaw, this is something I would highly consider. I'll put a link in the description below, just in case you don't have one and you're looking for something. You can check it out, read reviews on it. This is a brushless motor. It's held up. I put this thing through it. I've used it, say, for about a year, going on 2, and never had any issues. You can check out my website. I have this jigsaw on it, and I think I have the Milwaukee brand as well. All right, guys. My second giveaway is going to be a set of DeWALT jigsaw blades. It comes with 14 blades. It comes with a fast cutting wood, fast and clean, clean cut wood. It comes with a down cut laminate blade. It comes with a scrolling wood, a medium metal, and a sheet metal blade. So it's a pretty nice little kit. It's something that I've carried. I've got this exact one that I carry, and I've had the same one for about a year now, and still haven't went through all the blades. So I thought I would just try to help somebody out. If you've got a jigsaw, or if you buy a jigsaw and you'd like to get some blades for it, maybe this will help you out. All you got to do is like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I'll pick a winner and I'll get with you and get your mailing information, and I'll get it sent out to you. Thanks for watching. I'll try to post another video, and I'll watch out for the giveaway. Probably run this one until about mid-March of 2021. I'll let you know the winner. See you guys.